If you're looking at a used BMW with over 150,000 miles and you see that M54 under the hood, you're probably asking one big question. Is this thing a ticking time bomb or one of the BMW's less truly reliable engines? Because depending on who you ask, the M54 is either a rock-solid legend that's run forever or a money pit waiting to drain your wallet. Today, we're cutting through the noise and answering the real question. After 150,000 miles, is the BMW M54 engine still reliable? The M54 was produced by BMW in the early 2000s and came in a wide range of cars like E46 3 Series, E39 5 Series, and even early Z4s. It's a naturally aspirated inline 6, which already puts it in a special category. No turbos, no direct injection, no overly complex electronics, just classic BMW engineering from a simpler era. This engine came in multiple displacements, but they all share the same basic design: aluminum block, iron liners, double Venos, and a reputation for smoothness that BMW was famous for back then. And here's the important part: BMW didn't design the M54 to be disposable. These engines were built at a time when longevity still mattered, and many of them are well past 200,000 miles, but surviving doesn't always mean thriving, and that's where things get interesting. At around 150,000 miles, an M54 is usually done with its easy years. This is the point where neglect starts to show. Shortcuts come back to haunt owners, and maintenance history matters more than the badge on the hood. The engine itself, the block, the crankshaft, and internals is rarely the issue. In fact, outright engine failure on a well-maintained M54 is pretty uncommon. The real question isn't can it keep running, it's what else will fail around it. Think of the M54 like a solid old house. The foundation might be strong, but the plumbing, wiring, and roof, that's where your money goes. Let's start with the most infamous one, the cooling system. BMW used a lot of plastic in the M54's cooling components, and plastic doesn't age gracefully. Radiators crack, expansion tanks explode, hoses get brittle, and water pumps eventually fail. Most M54 overheating stories aren't because the engine is weak, they happen because the cooling system wasn't refreshed in time. Next in the line is oil consumption. Many M54 engines burn oil, especially as mileage climbs. This is often tied to worn piston rings or valve seals, but more commonly it's the crankcase ventilation system, also known as the CCV. When it fails, oil consumption goes up, idle quality drops, and cold weather performance can suffer badly. Then there's Venos seals. The double Venos system is great for performance and drivability, but the factory rubber seals degrade over time. When that happens, you'll notice sluggish low-end power, worse fuel economy, and generally tired feeling engine. The good news, this issue is well known and fixable, and once addressed properly, it usually stays fixed. Finally, we can't ignore oil leaks. Valve cover gaskets, oil filter housing gaskets, and oil pan gaskets are all common leak points. None of these are catastrophic on their own, but they add up, especially if you're paying a shop to fix them instead of doing the work yourself. Here's the part that surprises a lot of people. Despite all those issues, the core of the M54 engine is extremely durable. Compression usually stays healthy, timing chains are long-lasting, the bottom end is strong, and when properly maintained, these engines remain smooth, quiet, and enjoyable even past 200,000 miles. Compared to newer turbocharged BMW engines, the M54 is actually less stressed. There's no turbo heat, no high-pressure fuel system, and fewer failure points overall. In other words, once you fix the well-known weaknesses, the engine itself doesn't really have much left to complain about. This is the most important takeaway. At 150,000 miles, M54 that's had cooling system overhauls, regular oil changes, Venice maintenance, and quality parts can be far more reliable than a 90k mile example that's been neglected. These engines punish neglect, but they reward proper care. That's why owner history, service records, and pre-purchase inspections matter so much more than the odometer reading. Mileage tells you how long the engine has lived. Maintenance tells you how well it's been treated. So, is the BMW M54 engine reliable after 150,000 miles? Yes, but with conditions. It's reliable if the known weak points have been addressed or budgeted for. It's reliable if you stay ahead of maintenance instead of reacting to failures. And it's reliable if you understand that this isn't just add gas engine anymore. But if you want a high mileage BMW that still delivers classic inline-six smoothness, solid reliability, and genuinely engaging driving experience, the M54 remains one of the BMW's best aging engines, and that's why people are still talking about it today.